Meet Mem.ai, your new favorite note-taking app powered by artificial intelligence. Well, I've been using it for over a month now, and I can assure you that it is seriously awesome. So let's check it out. Alright, so we're checking out Mem.ai here, and if you've ever used a note-taking app, you know it can be hard to stay organized or even find what you're looking for. But with Mem, they take care of all that for you. So let me show you how. Now, Mem uses artificial intelligence to help you manage all your notes, ideas, and documents in one place, and then surfaces them when you need them so you can get back to work faster. And it starts right here with a clean, clutter-free interface where all your notes will live, and you can easily organize them into different folders. And they have these really helpful sidebars here to help you navigate through your notes or jump directly to other parts of the app. They even have a built-in calendar so you can see your progress and upcoming deadlines without having to leave the app. But let's say you want to take some notes. Let's click up here on the title and just start writing something. Maybe I am working on this video and I am taking notes about the app, and then I can add some bullet points and start writing some more. Now, normally, this is about as far as I could take this note, but with Mem, I can do so much more, like inserting images, PDFs or links, or I can even record my screen and capture a video clip right inside my note. Pretty neat! And there are so many other ways you can make your notes interactive, like inserting a checkbox and then making an action item or creating a toggle block and hiding some information until you need it. You can even insert tables to keep all your data in one place or use this markdown syntax to quickly make a heading or a code block. The best part, everything is connected to the internet and automatically updated when any changes are made. It's really cool. But not only does Mem help you take better notes, it also helps you remember what you wrote, because every single note has this little lightning bolt icon, and you can click it to save your progress or send it off to be summarized by ChatGPT. For example, I can select this note, hit the lightning bolt, and ask ChatGPT to summarize it for me. Then I can read the nicely formatted response that pulls out the key points from my note. It's amazing how well it works. And with the AI features, you can also pull out keywords from your text or generate a bunch of headings to help organize your thoughts. There's even an AI search function coming soon where you can simply type in a question and it will surface the relevant parts of your note. Oh, and if you want to share your note with someone else, you can just hit the share icon and send it off as a PDF or link. And the coolest feature yet, you can insert this little embed, block, and connect any website, video, or audio file to your note. So anything you're reading or watching, you can quickly save it and reference it later. This feature alone is going to save you hours of time organizing all your research and browsing history. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few other examples. Here's a quick checklist I made to keep track of my workouts. And here's another note on meditation that I am keeping for myself. And here's one for a blog post that I'm writing. As you can see, you can do so much more than just write text, because each note is like its own mini web page. But wait, there's more. Check this out. You can actually turn any of these notes into a neatly formatted document and export it right here as a PDF. So if you're writing an essay, lab report, or any other formal document, you don't have to worry about formatting because Mem will take care of it for you. Now, let us say I want to write a lab report for school and I am doing research on Alzheimer's disease. Well, first I can make a heading block and add some subpoints for each section of my report. Then I can add some bullet points and write some of the key findings for this study. What's great about Mem is that you can connect all your references right here in the note, so you don't have to worry about losing track of them. And just like before, You can use the lightning bolt feature and ask ChatGPT to summarize the entire note for you. But with the latest update, you can also insert a table and fill it with all your references. And just like that, we have our very own lab report. We can even turn this into a PDF and print it out. But that's not all. Let's say I want to share this with my lab partner. Well, I can hit the share icon up here and send it off as a PDF or link. Then my lab partner can open it up and comment directly on the page. And then you can see those comments right here in the sidebar. How awesome is that? You can even give feedback on any of the pages or highlight certain parts that you want to draw attention to. And what's great about Mem is that it keeps everything in one place so you don't have to worry about losing track of your progress or worse, forgetting to include something in your final draft. With Mem, you can build your own knowledge base by connecting ideas and information together. This is especially useful if you're a researcher who needs to keep track of multiple studies and experiments, or if you're a professional who needs to stay on top of industry trends and developments. Another great thing about Mem is that it's completely free to use. With their basic plan, you get unlimited notes and up to 10 attachments per note, plus 250 uses of GPT per month. But if you upgrade to their Pro plan, you get access to advanced features like custom domains, priority support, and advanced admin controls. And if you're a student or educator, they even offer special discounts. There's just so much to cover here, but hopefully I was able to show you how Mem can help you take better notes, remember what you wrote, and get more done in less time. If you want to try it out for yourself, but that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.